Damn, there's our champion. I couldn't keep my, I was like that. Michael Phelps, wait, is that Michael Phelps? No way. Oh my God, I did not think he was gonna do that.
Hold on to the steering like super hard. You just kind of want to like be loose, but still like hold on to it. Oh, FIFA! What? Yo! No way! Yo! That's the big guy waiting for you, Kim. Get in there.
Oh shit, that's a huntsman, dude.
Oh!
Get it on the lens. Let me get it on the lens. That's a huntsman, right?
Oh shit, dude, that's actually where you don't want it. Oh, hey.
Alright, boys.
You guys are supposed to leave. No, you guys are fucking around.
Yeah, we're waiting for the fishers.
Who we're waiting for? Where you heading?
Guys, we're gonna get you sorted. We're gonna get you some merch.
Merch?
Oh fuck no,
That's what these YouTubers always say. Oh, we got you merch for sure.
Yeah.
Pablo Luis.
Yo.
How you doing?
My brother.
Kim, nice to meet you, man. Kim.
Bro, Cedric.
I hate it when the tall guys pull up, dude. We gotta see that.
Silas, what size are you?
That's a bit big.
Smaller.
Thank you, bros.
So we're in that There's a Nation gang in that, you know?
Boys rapping.
Bobby, looking fresh.
Yeah, no worries. I didn't want a shirt anyway.
Max, you already have. Max already have. Ready to leave?
Yeah.
Going to Aling Aling for some jumping.
Into the jungle.
It's gonna be first time this year where we go jumping. And we got crazy people with us, so we're gonna push them off.
Let's do it. Show them the dance.
Our goal is to get Silas to go in the 10 club.
Okay.
Let's go. I was pushing 90, you know. Blame it on the music. On the move, look, taco radio here. My arms are burned. No chance you can hear that while you're riding. I think he's taking a shit or twerking.
Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip and see.
Together! Yo! Parade!
På gräset. Silas! It was drifting. How far are we from the top? 15, 20 minutes.
These roads, man.
I would see what you would do, and I'd be like, no, not for me.
Is that a big water tank?
Dude, that was bro. Me and Max was behind. I was like, go Max, go now, go. On the left side.
That was fucked. If you don't commit, then you're gonna get stuck.
We've been driving for about 2.5 hours now. We are in the middle of a mountain, almost inside the clouds.
Dude, I'm the slowest driver by far, and I'm just scared the whole time. These guys are insane.
People are making room for each other, even the cars.
It doesn't feel like it though. You think every turn you do is gonna be your last. Look at this guy with the just about to say his ass. Got stoked in.
Alla Gelius, jag har sett dig mer stokande då. We started driving again, but it's too much rain, so we had to stop and buy ponchos. Murph Nation, huh?
Dude, it's borderline dangerous what we're doing right now.
Yeah, we're good.
Riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.
All the bottles.
Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on
but the wheels won't stop. 200 on the highway, fresh up off the block. He's a rider, nah, he's a killer. Dressed in all black, but his hat says Stella.
How are we still alive, everybody?
Alive. Imagine just doing it all day like you're part of a biker gang.
This could be an episode itself from the ride. Now we're gonna jet stream, right? It's gonna be a banger.
Gotta go hit the waterfall. We did the perilous moped drive through the sky, pretty much.
Everybody's alive.
No, everybody's alive.
Turned like a motherfucker.
You're on your way out.
Oh my god! Look at you.
Like do a handprint. Give it like a week, and I would be like him.
Yeah, for sure.
We just arrived here, as you saw it, riding up this crazy mountain. It took like 4 hours. But look at us now. We're here alive, and we're gonna do some duds.
Hvis vi skal hoppe og bade og sånn, så koster det 100 000.
They're so onto us.
They got a sniper's nest up there, dude.
Yeah.
Hey! Jump and let's see if they stab you or not.
Okay, getting closer now.
A lot of water.
It's cold. Normal. Looks good, huh? We hear he asked if I'm good at swimming, and he's not really a fan of us doing this. And we had to pay, but we didn't pay everyone, so he's gonna watch out that not everybody jumps. I am making friends with him now, so to try and figure it out. This is normally like a idyllic place, but because it's rain season, there's so much water that it's a bit gnarly.
My friend, right now the current very strong, so maybe you can jump
To the left.
a bit to the left, yeah?
Where do we go up again? Here?
Yeah, that way.
First that's
Start it up.
hold the rope. You need to get to the rope and pull yourself. Silas, once you get there, it's good. It's good. Just relax.
Good.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so jump left, swim in the middle, and to the side. Yeah, Silas, first one.
Bro, I thought I was gonna drown or some shit. Yeah, I got pulled under and I was like,
Yeah.
get pulled under? Bro, I got pulled under.
Okay,
That's
boys.
scary, dude.
Yeah.
I don't understand the anatomy of waterfalls yet.
Let's go, Max.
Dude, it scared me. He's like, I got stuck under. I was like, oh god. Oh, bro, not bad.
Good spot.
Shit.
Cute little kicker.
To the beat, take it back. To the beat,
What are you doing?
take it back.
You going from here?
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, so sick.
That's what I wish I looked like when I did shit.
Whoa! That was sick. I might put that #1 trick so far. Michael Phelps, wait, is that Michael Phelps? No way! Yeah, we got the wild cards up there just scoping it out. Oh, cool, Storm. We got you beat right now in the Bali comp. You did a little course set, right? You go Storm.
Take it back.
You go Storm.
To the beat,
Alright.
take it
Yeah,
back.
yeah. Yes, you did.
To the beat, take it back.
Yeah.
To the beat, take it back.
I love a good competition. Right now, I think Kim's got Jules beat. 50,000 rupiah on the line. Gonna be fun.
Hands up! Hands up!
What was the point of that? That was awful, bro.
That was like that. I was banging my butt the whole time.
It's the same price for all people.
No, I slipped. Yeah, I slipped. I was standing and I slipped. And then I fell in.
Yeah, you
did. You supposed to do safety, bro. And I fell and I had to swim out. Give me a life jacket. You never see a life jacket.
Why you lie, bro?
High five. High five. You have to actually, yeah.
My fault. I literally slipped. I'm looking for my phone. My phone.
It's
fell in the
very
water.
slippery, to be fair. It's
Yeah, it's just slippery.
There are way more. We need to see all the other ones.
yeah, boys, let's go down on the higher one.
Not good, not pretty. Hey, the guy at the top asked me like, you the guy doing the guts? No. Yeah. Seems like a local. I thought you did that on purpose. You went like, well, you slipped. God damn. Where are you from, dude?
I'm local here.
You're local from Bali, and you heard about the Duts?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah,
and you even called it Duts. That's Norwegian, you know?
That's the word. That's the word, man. That's the name.
What's your name?
Ari.
Ari.
Yeah.
I'm Trolls.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I know.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
First one didn't work out at all. I didn't drive 5 hours to get a base. I guess it's my turn.
Was he trying to dance? Ooh. That was sick. He knew like a dive almost. That was sweet.
Hitting the big boy here. It's about 13.
They said 15. I don't know.
15.
I'm really fucking thinking about doing a Duts.
Huh?
He's thinking about Dudsing it.
Yeah.
If I don't do it, don't put it in the vlog. No.
6 meter deep.
That's good. That's really good.
Oh. Can you give some tips? Do you have guys? Huh? Do you have guys? No. Okay, listen. I'ma fuck with him. I'm a bit scared of heights. You have guide? No. No guide? No.
Yeah.
You guys wanna hit it first? No.
Hit it first for the vlog.
On legs. Legs like this. Leg together. The problem for me is that I think it looks very high.
What the loco?
That's sick just to run an easy 360.
It's okay. Yeah. You come straight. No, we're going to do.
We're professionals.
Bro.
That was dope. Man, no pressure, man. You don't have to.
No, but I kind of want to.
Okay, yeah.
Just try to find a flat position. Whatever happens in the start, if you start to wobble or whatever, if you start to freak out, as long as you go into the landing, we'll be good.
Oh, you got it for sure.
If 8 meter was fine, this would be exactly the same, it just looks bigger.
Tuck my head.
Yeah.
Try to force it.
Don't just go in a position, you have to like...
Wait, and then you actually punch it. You know?
Okay. Attack the fucking water, okay? Scream, get that out. You got it.
This guy looks so bummed right now, dude. That looks so fucking bummed. Smile, bro. You look...
Better traumatized.
Come first, just do some mellow shit.
Man.
Okay, you ready? Like this or like this?
You're gonna show him what to do or...
We're back.
Swipe my fingers and I do something.
Oh my god, into the sofa, that's insane. That's actually, I did not think he was gonna do that. Silas, you got, yeah, no pressure.
Yeah? He's coming. You got this, Silas.
Yeah, baby.
Lit ain't it?
Got it, bro.
Yeah, huge! Yes! Yay! Yes, baby! That was huge, dude. Yes!
Yo, Silas, that was freaking rad, dude. You kind of went sideways.
Dude, that was huge. You were in the air for such a long time, it kind of started to go a little inside. Yeah, you killed that, dude. And you didn't even think about it for too long.
That's where you fucked up, I think.
That's really...
I did one for the boys.
Yeah.
You see, cliff diving is for everybody. Look how happy they are. Yeah!
Already subscribing from Bali. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Ali.
Ari.
Ari.
With R, yeah.
Okay, cool.